you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle. My name is Mary, and today I'm going to be showing you one quick thing on your sewing machine in case you don't know. As they say, ignorance is expensive. I have made a mistake. I have made a mistake of paying £75 just to change the light bulb in my sewing machine. So I'm going to be showing you today how to change a light bulb in your Joname sewing machine in case you have Joname as your domestic sewing machine. So I'm going to be showing you today how to change the bulb. It's quite easy, very quick. It doesn't take time. Please subscribe, like and share. Without further ado, let's get our toolbox here. And I have my toolbox here, and then we get started. So before you start unscrewing whatever, I will advise you unplug your electrical appliances from the switch. So I'm going to take you through how to change the light bulb on your machine. So I have my small screw here. When you see your machine, this small thing here is not just a design, there's something there. So I'm going to pull this one out using my small machine. Okay, be careful. So this, and then once that is done, you keep it aside. I have this tools, I think this is called star. So you see there's a screw in here. There's a screw in here. So I'm going to screw it off. Out. So I'm going to use this to bring it out. Okay, it's out. So I'm going to take that out. Once you take that out, this is the light bulb. Some are screw and some are just pushed in, so I don't know what mine is. Let me see. See? It's out. So I'm going to get the new one and change it. Okay. So I'm going to put the new one now. I have the new one here. It's still the same thing. What's the name here? You can see what it is. There's a number there. So you put it, you push, and it fits. It's in there. So yours is ready. Then you put back your sometimes you might get that. Then you put this back. Remember to put this back. Voila. So now we are going to test our Joname. about this. I'm so excited. I hope you're not going to waste your money calling an electrician to change anything for you. If this tutorial was useful to you, please kindly click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first to know. And thank you so much to all my old subscribers. I really appreciate your love and your comments. Please keep watching and invite your friends and family to watch with you. And to the new ones, you're welcome into the family. Please continue to watch, and your watching encourages us, and it means that we are doing something good. Thank you so much. I'm excited. My light is working. Thank you so much for watching.